A couple of days ago, I put my Ford Mustang on Craigslist, and soon after I put it up, I got this call from a company called Once Driven, and they said they specialize in selling vehicles for a fee. So I called them back, and I'm gonna let you listen to the conversation. But I did a little research, and a lot of people saying that this is a scam. But you guys tell me what you think about it. But I'm selling my Ford Mustang. It's a 1995. I'm selling it for $1,995. The reason why I'm selling it, I'm tired of it because it overheated, and maybe somebody out there can fix it. I think it may be a blown head gasket, but for this price, you probably can get it fixed and give it to your kids or whatever you want. But I'm gonna let you hear the conversation, and you tell me what you think about this Once Driven. Is it a scam or not? You know, so they charge a fee for this service. But if you want to purchase my Mustang, you can send me an email at weldingandstuff@gmail.com. That's weldingandstuff@gmail.com. All right, thank you.
Thank you for calling Once Driven. Your call may be recorded for quality control. If you were contacted about a vehicle you have for sale, please press 1. If you are a current customer and you need... If your vehicle is valued at or below $2,000, please press 1. If your vehicle is valued above $2,000, please press 2. Thank you for calling Once Driven. We speak with thousands of buyers and sellers every week. We believe we can sell this for you faster than anyone else. We called you specifically to offer you our guarantee. We charge an upfront fee of $289, and if you sell before we do, you can take a refund any time within the first 45 days. If you would like to purchase our service, please press 1 now. If you are not interested in purchasing...
You are currently caller number 3, waiting to speak with a representative. Thank you for your patience.
This is Teresa. How may I help you?
Who am I speaking with?
This is Teresa.
Teresa, okay. I got a call from you guys. I put a vehicle up for sale, a Ford Mustang, on Craigslist a couple of days ago, and you guys said you can sell it for me.
Sure, we can help you with that. And who am I speaking with today?
Glenn Lewis.
I didn't hear you, I'm sorry.
Glenn Lewis.
Oh, Glenn.
Yes.
Glenn, and what's your telephone number that we've reached out to you on? And you're selling the 95 Mustang?
Yes, ma'am.
So asking price $1,995?
Yes, the same year of the vehicle.
Same year. Okay. Glenn, just to let you know, we do offer a free service where we help buyers find what they're looking for. Okay. Now, were you looking to buy anything else after you sold the Mustang?
No, we got enough vehicles. I want to just get rid of that one. I had it since 1996, and I want to get rid of it.
Okay, so okay. Yeah, we definitely felt that we could help you and get it sold quickly. We're Once Driven, and we speak to buyers and sellers every week, and that's why we felt that we could help you get it sold quickly, and we called to offer you our guarantee.
How did you guys get my information?
Did you put an ad? I think you put an ad online somewhere that you're selling it?
Craigslist, yes.
Okay, could have been in the online source.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. So with our service, we call to offer you our guarantee. We do charge an upfront fee of $289 to sell your vehicle, and if you sell it before we do, then you can take a refund anytime within the first 45 days.
Okay.
So would you like us to go ahead and help you sell the Mustang?
What will I have to give you guys to get that started?
Well, there's a fee of $289, and then I'll need to go over the details about your vehicle, and then I would also need pictures of it, and I would email you photo instructions for you to get those to us.
Okay.
So we do need pictures to come directly from you.
Okay, and this is set up on your website?
Yes.
Okay.
We're going to promote it on our own website, of course, and then we're also going to use social media as a tool to direct promote it and put your vehicle right on buyers' news feed.
Okay.
So anybody that's ever done a search for that vehicle, yours will show up on their individual page, and we'll start targeting buyers within about a 100-mile radius of where you're located to start.
Okay. So I noticed that you guys asked the question, like if it's under $2,000, do you charge a flat fee for any amount the vehicle sells for? Or?
Yes.
So if I sell a vehicle for $10,000, it's still a $289 fee?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's probably may not be worth it since it's under $2,000, because basically I won't be making it maybe $700 maybe $1,600. Yeah.
Okay, not a problem. Yeah, we just wanted to reach out and offer our services, but if something changes and you don't sell it, then you can just give me a call back. My direct extension here is 142.
Okay, I probably could sell it myself.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Sure, not a problem.
All right. Thank you.